Do you want to private your relationship status, phone number, email, birthday, current city, work, and even education here on Facebook? This method I'm going to show you will also limit who can search you on Facebook and prevent unknown people from adding you on their post. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let's get started. Now tap on those three lines on your top right corner. Then you will need to scroll down and come here on settings. Just tap settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Then you need to scroll down a little bit. Then tap on privacy checkup. Then tap on who can see what you share. The first option here. Just need to tap on it. Then tap on continue. Then here, now you need to change everything to only me. So I'm going to start with the birthday. You are going to tap on it. Then tap on only me. Then save. Then the year, you are going to tap on it. Then only me. Then save. Then hometown, you are going to tap on it. Then only me. Then save. Then on relationship, as you can see, it is I had already set it to only me. Then save. Then current city, select only me. Then save. Then work, you are going to tap on it. Then only me. Then save. Then education, then your high school, only me. Then save. Then friends and following, you are going to tap on it. Then these are your friends list. You are going to tap on only me. Then save. Then who can see the people on the pages and the list that you follow. Also you are going to tap on only me. Then save. Then tap on next. Then who can see your future post. So this one also you are going to choose according to your preference. So here I'm just going to leave it to public. Then limit who can see past post. Also here you can limit those who will be able to see your previous post. Just tap on limit past post. Then limit past post. Then tap on next down there. Then who can see post you are tagged in. You can also change it to only me or friends. I'm going to tap on only me. Then save. Then once you've done that, tap on next. Then just tap on next. Then review other topics. So once you've done that, then go back. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to private your Facebook account. So this is how you can easily private Facebook account. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.